Welcome to the DMV Practice Test Pro. Question 1. If traffic is present when taking a curve, you should A. Start on the inside of the curve and drift toward the outside. B. Start in the center of the curve and stay there until you exit. C. Weave among all three lane positions while taking a curve. D. Start on the inside of the curve and stay there until you exit. The correct answer is B. Question 2. Handlebars must be positioned with no more than blank between the highest part of the handlebar and lowest part of the seat. A. 3 inches. B. 8 inches. C. 15 inches. D. 48 inches. The correct answer is C. Question 3. When riding with a passenger, you may need to adjust A. The brakes. B. The suspension. C. The brake light. D. The fluid levels. The correct answer is B. Question 4. If you see this sign, you A. must not pass another vehicle. B. May pass a slow-moving vehicle if you can do so quickly. C. May pass if you know the road ahead. D. May pass, but only at night. The correct answer is A. Question 5. This road sign means A. Road construction ahead. B. The road ahead curves left, then right. C. The road ahead curves right, then left. D. Steep grade ahead. The correct answer is C. Question 6. When approaching railroad tracks that cross your lane at an angle, it is usually A. Safest to ride straight within your lane to cross the tracks. B. Dangerous to ride straight within your lane to cross the tracks. C. Not safe to cross tracks on a motorcycle. D. Safest to cross the tracks by riding on the shoulder of the road. The correct answer is A. Question 7. A driver making eye contact with you. A. Means that they see you. B. Will never happen. C. Does not mean that they will properly yield to you. D. Guarantees that they will properly yield to you. The correct answer is C. Question 8. This sign means A. You must drive slowly and sound your horn. B. A bus stop is ahead. C. You are entering a school's parking lot. D. A school zone is ahead. The correct answer is D. Question 9. This sign means A. Side road. B. Low clearance. C. Merging traffic. D. Prepare to stop. The correct answer is A. Question 10. When riding on a slippery surface, you should A. Increase your speed. B. Use only your rear brake. C. Use only your front brake. D. Avoid making sudden moves. The correct answer is D. Question 11. If riding with a blood alcohol concentration BAC under the legal limit, you A. Cannot be arrested for operating while intoxicated. B. Cannot be convicted of operating while intoxicated. C. Can be arrested and charged for operating while intoxicated. D. Are safe to ride. The correct answer is C. Question 12. Before every ride, you should A. Make sure the clutch feels loose and free. B. Wash your helmet. C. Adjust the mirror to see the edge of your helmet. D. Make sure each brake can hold the motorcycle. The correct answer is D. Question 13. When following another vehicle as a beginning rider, you should A. Maintain a minimum 4-second following distance. B. Get as close to the other vehicle as possible. C. Never be concerned about your following distance. D. Always ride in the left portion of the lane so the driver can easily see you. The correct answer is A. Question 14. When upshifting, the first thing you should do is A. Lift the shift lever firmly. B. Ease out the clutch lever. C. Roll off the throttle and squeeze the clutch lever. D. Roll off the throttle and release the clutch lever. The correct answer is C. Question 15. What does alcohol do to your riding skills and judgment? A. It harms both riding skills and judgment. B. It helps riding skills but harms your judgment. C. It has no effect on either riding skills or judgment. D. It has no effect on judgment but it harms riding skills. The correct answer is A. Question 16. When riding a motorcycle, you should A. Wear long pants. B. Wear shorts if it is warm outside. C. Wear loose-fitting clothing. D. Wear sandals. The correct answer is A. Question 17. A DOT-compliant helmet has all of the following, except A. An impact-resistant outer shell. B. An impact-absorbing inner liner. C. A chin strap retention system. D. Bright colors painted on the outside. The correct answer is D. Question 18. What is the only way to reduce your blood alcohol concentration? BAC. A. Drink coffee. B. Allow your body time to get rid of the alcohol. C. Exercise. D. Eat a large meal. The correct answer is B. Question 19. During the day, your headlight should A. Not be used. B. Be used on its high beam setting. C. Be used on its low beam setting. D. Alternate between high beam and low beam settings. The correct answer is B. Question 20. When braking on a slippery surface, you should A. Use only the rear brake. B. Use only the front brake. C. Use both brakes. D. Not use any brakes, but downshift. The correct answer is C.